Okay, so we start our class, okay, with doa. Okay, so Afif, can you please recite the doa?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin.
Okay, thank you Afif.
Okay.
Okay, sekejap cikgu tengah present. Okay, can you see my slide now?
Yes.
Okay, so class, today we are going to learn about multiplication and also division of money. Okay, you have learned how to do multiplication and also you have learned how to do division, okay, with number until 10,000. And today you are going to do multiplication and also division with money, multiplication and division of money. Senang je. The difference is you will have decimal point and also you will have the unit Ringgit Malaysia RM. Okay, can you please stop chatting? Please pay attention to our lesson today, to our class today. Okay, okay. So now, yes, who is that?
Ada kucing dalam background saya bising sikit.
Can you please remove the kucing ya? Oh, kucing siapa?
Kucing kami.
Oh, okay. So now, okay, it's okay. Okay, what will you learn? Okay, what will you learn in our class today? Okay, this night, tonight, okay, you will learn how to solve the number sentence involving multiplication of money by a one-digit number, 10, 100, and 1,000, and the product up to 10,000. And you will also solve the number sentence involving division of money within 10,000 with a one-digit number, 10, 100, and also 1,000. Basically, you will be doing addition and also, you will be doing multiplication and also division. Itu saja. Okay, involving money. Itu saja sebenarnya. Okay. Okay, first thing first. Okay, you need to know how to write money. This is how we write money. Okay, this is how we write money. This apa nama ni, decimal point is the divider for ringgit
And
and also cent. Yes, cent. Yes, very good. This is the most important thing that you need to know in writing money. Okay, the decimal point is the divider. Okay, pemisah, garis pemisah, tempat pemisah antara ringgit dan juga sen. Okay, and you must remember that sen yang mesti ada dua nombor aja, dua aja. Okay, kita set lagi macam tu. Is this correct? Is this correct? The one that I write down here, is this correct? No. Seda, okay. Sen, okay, there will only be two number. Dekat bahagian sen tu, there will be only two numbers. Okay, dua nombor sahaja. Why? Why? Because, okay, 1 ringgit is equal to 100 sen. Kalau awak tengok 100 sen, dia ada dua sahaja sifar dekat belakang tu kan. So, that's why, okay, sen dalam bila kita menulis ringgit tu, sen dia ada dua nombor saja. Okay. In decimal, okay, kan cikgu dah pernah kata, in decimal, the number after decimal point, you read it one by one kan. For example, tengok yang ini ya, 0.71. Okay, this one you cannot read as 0.71. That is not correct. Okay, you read this one as 0.71. The number after the decimal point, you read it one by one. Okay, that is decimal. But in money, okay, in money, the number after decimal point, awak baca macam biasa aja. You read this as usual. Okay, so this will be 2,450 ringgit and 70 sen. 70 sen. Okay, boleh baca macam biasa aja. Si pernah lagi orang baca RM2,450 70 sen. Tak pernah. 70 sen, 70 sen. Okay? Okay, clear about this one? How to write money? Okay, lagi satu. This one, you write it as RM2450.70. RM, huruf besar. But if you read this one, you are not going to read it. You are not going to read this as RM 2,450 ringgit and 70 cent. No. Okay, you're just going to read it like this. 2,450 ringgit and 70 sen. Awak tak sebut pun RM tu. RM di sini adalah sekadar unit. Awak tulis tapi tidak sebut. Okay? Okay. So, now we are going to move to multiplication of money. Multiplication of money is the same as you do multiplication with other number. The difference is the symbol RM and also the decimal point. Okay. When do we need? When do we need to use multiplication? Okay. When given the price of one item and asked to find the total price of several identical items. Okay, for example, okay, there in one basket, okay, there are 3 durians. Okay, harga, okay, the price of one durian is 50 ringgit. Okay, and ketiga ni, okay, have the same price. So maksudnya this one is 50 ringgit. This durian is also 50 ringgit. This one is also 50 ringgit. This is what we call several identical items. The price is the same. Okay, the price is the same. So, okay, dia dah bagi kamu harga satu. You are going, awak perlu mencari harga semua ni 3 ni. Dan harganya semua sama. Jadi, masa ni lah awak kena guna darab. So, 50 ringgit, you will times it by 3. Okay. You can also use addition. Repeated addition. Okay, repeated addition. Oh, boleh buat.
I think it's 105.
No. No, you cannot think. You need to count. Okay. Buat macam ni pun boleh. This is repeated addition. Okay, this is repeated addition. But you must know that repeated addition is also the same with multiplication. So, why do you need to do jalan yang lebih panjang macam ni if you can buat darab? Okay, so apa jawapan tu? Okay, give me what is the answer? 150. Okay, 0 times 3 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. So, the answer is 150. If you do repeated addition, the answer will also be the same. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So the answer is 150. And please don't forget to write down RM. Kalau awak tulis 150 saja, kita tak tahu 150 mewakili apa. 150 durian, 150 people eat the durians. Okay, so this is about money. So you need to put the unit RM. Jangan lupa. Waktu buat latihan tu ada yang tak tulis unit dengan lengkap. And remember R, huruf besar, capital letter R, and also capital letter M. Okay, RM, capital letter R, and also capital letter M. Okay, now, multiplication method. Okay, you have learned 2 multiplication methods. The first one is the normal form. Normal form tu macam biasalah, bentuk lazim. Okay, for example, macam tadi lah, 150 ringgit times 3. Okay. Okay. 5 times 3 is 15 kan? 5 dekat bawah, 1 bawah naik atas tambah. And you need to remember to multiply first before you add. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, this is the normal form. Itu normal form. Okay, boleh? Boleh? Ingat tak? Do you still remember? Still remember or not?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So the second method is the lattice method. Kaedah lattice. You need to do L terbalik. L terbalik. And then write down we use the same number. So RM 150 ringgit times by 3. If you do lattice method, you need to make sure you draw the table
Cikgu.
Oi.
Jadi.
Kena.
Kan L-nya macam kat tepi ya. Kan 3 kat tepi ya. Bukankah bukankah L-nya sepatutnya macam ke depan macam
Okay. Dengar dulu Marisa. Okay. So when you use lattice method, okay, sama juga awak darab. Okay, 0 times 3 is
0.
Jangan lupa garisan.
0.
Jangan lupa garisan. 0 times 3 is 0. So 0. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15. So 1, 5. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3. So 0, 3. And then what do you need to do?
3.
What do you need to do?
Plus.
What do you need to do? Yes, you add the number in the diagonal form. Kalau dalam petak yang condong tu, so this one is 0. Ini 5 plus 0 is 5.
5.
This one 3 plus 1 is
4.
This one 0 lah. So the answer is 0450, which is 450 ringgit. Okay, boleh? Okay, ini just revision. This is just for the revision. Okay, about the normal form and also the lattice method. Okay, now look next. Okay. Now you have this question. Calculate the total cost of 2 hampers. Okay, 1 hamper is 211 ringgit. 211 ringgit. This is for 1 hamper. What if 2 hamper? Okay, kalau 2 hamper macam mana? Apa ayat matematik? What is the number sentence? What is the number sentence? Can someone please tell me what is the number sentence for this situation? They give you the cost of one hamper here and ask you to calculate the total cost of 2 hamper, 2 identical hamper. So the price of both hamper is the same. So what is the number sentence? Who can tell me?
400 per hamper.
211
Number sentence.
Ringgit
Yes,
times
200. Yes,
Plus
very good.
211.
Times 2. Okay, now. We are going to fill in the answer after we calculate. Okay, you need to calculate first. Okay, after that, then you fill in the answer. So now we calculate. What method do you want to use? Lattice or normal form?
Lattice.
Okay, now we got lattice. Okay, 211 times 2. Okay, draw the table. Okay. Lattice ni dia banyak tu sikit. You need to draw the table, you need to draw the diagonal line. Okay, and then lepas tu baru awak jawab. Okay, so now 1 times 2 is
2.
0, 2. Okay, 1 times 2 is
2.
0, 2. Okay, 2 times 2 is
4.
0, 4. Then what do you need to do?
Plus.
Okay, plus. Okay, this one is
The answer is 4 to 2.
2. This one is 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. This one is 0. So the answer is 422 ringgit. Okay. When using the lattice method, okay, kalau tanpa if without decimal point, the lattice method is easy to be used. But if involving decimal point, lattice method might be confusing to be solved. Okay, confusing sikit kalau guna untuk yang ada titik perpuluhan. So now let me show you kalau guna normal form times 2. Ini lagi cepat. Okay, 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. You will get the same answer. And don't forget to complete your number sentence. The answer is 422 ringgit. Senang je, sama je. Bezanya cumanya awak ada dekat sini ringgit Malaysia. Okay, simbol apa unit dia tu. Okay, now calculate the price of 3 watch. Given to you, one watch is 82 ringgit and 30 sen. What if you have 3 watch? Can you please calculate first? Boleh cuba dulu tak? You try first. Later we discuss. Calculate. Take your paper, your pencil, and you calculate first. You can use either lattice method or apa? Normal form. Boleh guna mana satu yang awak suka. Okay, remember there is decimal point there. The number sentence should be like this. 82 ringgit and 30 sen times by 3. Since 3 identical item kan, 3 jam yang sama harga. So, you use multiplication. Then you can write down your answer in the you can just tell me your answer. Kalau awak tulis dekat komen nanti cikgu tak boleh pula nak cari kehadiran awak. Just, siapa yang dah siap? Who have finished calculating? You can just tell me your answer. Delisha? Done?
And 246 ringgit and 90 cents.
Slowly Zara, slowly. 200?
246
Tunggu
and
dah.
90
ringgit?
cents.
Pardon? 80 sen? Is it? No?
90 cents.
90 sen. Okay, kejap. 90 sen. Arman? Sorry Arman. Can you repeat?
90 cents.
Did you get the same answer as this? 246 ringgit and 90 cents. Sama ke Arman?
It's the same.
Okay, very good. Okay, I get you. Okay, dah. Okay. Ada yang dapat jawapan lain? 240. Okay, Delisha also get 246 ringgit and 90 cents. What happened to your mic, Delisha, Rosa? Any other answer? Can we start calculating? Yeah.
246.90.
No. Itu apa Rania? In saying money, you can say point. Okay. 246 ringgit and 90 sen. Okay. Okay. Zara and Alia juga dapat jawapan yang sama.
I got the same answer, cikgu.
Okay, very good.
I need to
Rania,
take my
you also get the same answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, okay, kita semak.
I need to take my
semak.
kitten. My kitten
Kita semak. Okay, kita semak sekarang. Okay. I'm going to use normal method. Tepi sikit lah. Kejap. Cikgu tulis tepi sikit. Okay, so don't forget to use to write down RN 82 ringgit and 30 cents times by 3. And remember to write down the decimal point first. Ingat, decimal point must be in one straight line. So, dia akan turun dekat sini. Just tulis saja dulu decimal point tu. Tak ada masalah. So that you don't forget. Okay, just write down the decimal point in one straight line so that you don't forget. Okay, ingat tulis decimal point itu terlebih dahulu. So, darab macam biasa lah. Okay, 0 times 3 is? 0 times 0. 0 times 3 is? 9. 2 times 3 is? 6. 8 times 3 is?
24.
24. Okay, so the answer is 246 ringgit and 90 cents. Okay, so please complete your number sentence. Okay, remember to complete your number sentence. Okay, kita cuba guna lattice method. Okay, so 82 ringgit and 30 cents times by 3. Banyak tu. Banyak sikit tu.
I did lattice method.
Who's humming? Siapa yang humming tu?
I think Afif.
Janganlah macam tu. Okay.
Kami tu buka mic.
Okay, so if you use the lattice method, also the same, you need to bring down the titik perpuluhan tu dulu. Bring down the decimal point in one straight line. Satu garisan lurus. Okay? So now, darab macam biasa lah. 0 times 3 is 0, 0, 0. 3 times 3 is 9. So 0, 9. 2 times 3 is 6. So 0, 6. 8 times 3 is
24.
24. So 2 and also 4. Okay, so now you add. Okay, 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 2 is 2 lah dekat situ. So the answer will be 246 ringgit and 90 sen. Okay, samakan jawapan. Okay. If you use lattice method to solve your question, to calculate, you can use the normal method to check your answer. If you use the normal method, the normal form to calculate, you can use the lattice method to check your answer. Macam ni lah. Guna satu cara, yang satu lagi awak guna untuk semak jawapan awak. Okay. Next. You try. 340 ringgit. 4 times 340 ringgit. 4 darab 340. You try. When I finish calculating, you can tell me your answer. Ni dah makin hard. Ni ada teknik how to solve this one. Ada tekniknya, Afif. You give me your answer first. Later I tell you.
Done.
Okay, what is your answer, Rizka?
My answer is 121 ringgit and 60 cents.
Are you sure, sen? Tak ada sen pun dalam soalan cikgu. In my questions, there is no sen. So, okay, Rizka first. Rizka first. Can you repeat your answer?
121.
21 ringgit. How many sen?
60.
60 sen. Okay.
100.
Who else?
1,660 ringgit.
1,260 ringgit. Is it, Zara?
1,360 ringgit.
2 or 3, Zara?
3.
3, okay. 1,360 ringgit. Okay. Ada lagi?
1,660 ringgit.
1,600. Dayan, apa tak? 1,600?
And 60.
And 60. Who is Hame Hamzah?
Teacher,
Who is Hame Hamzah?
1,660.
Okay, Ziyad answer is 1,670 ringgit. Rania answer is 1,660 ringgit. Darwisha, who is Darwisha Husna? Oh, memang namanya Darwisha kah? Okay, her answer is 1,660 ringgit also. Arisa said 1,306. Oh, sama dekat atas tu Arisa. Delisha also 1,660. Alia Rania pun sama 1,660 ringgit. See? Arman Bashir 1,360. See, we get different answers from you. Okay, kita kira, we count. Okay, now Afif kata the question is getting harder. Why is it you said it is harder? Kena Afif madahnya susah Afif. Tell me Afif.
Sebab 4 ya darab 340.
Okay. When you see question like this, okay, 1 digit number times by 3 digit number, okay, Alia Kaisara punya answer 12160. This one is different sikit. Okay. Bila awak jumpa nombor yang macam ni, 1 digit, 4 is 1 digit kan? Ada 1 digit je. While 340 ada 3 digit. Okay. In multiplication, okay, you just put the 1 digit dekat bawah. Okay. Ni akan jadi macam tu Afif. So, RM340 times by 4. Nombor yang kecil ya, awak letak dekat bawah. Okay. Boleh. Sekarang, does this look easier for you, Afif?
Yes.
Cikgu tahu kena Afif madah tadinya susah sebab nyangka 4 times 344 letak dekat atas kan. That's why I tell you ada tekniknya. Okay. So anytime you see multiplication question, the number with the less digit, okay, letak dekat bawah. For example, macam ni lah. Nombor yang kecil tu ada 1 digit saja letak dekat bawah. So RM340 times by 4 sebabnya sama aja. Tambah pun boleh buat macam tu. Tambahkan kita boleh tukar atas bawahnya. Okay, cuma tolak dengan bahagi awak tak boleh tukar. Okay, so now buatlah, kira lah. Okay, so kira macam biasalah. 0 times 4 is?
0.
0. 4 times 4 is?
16.
Okay, 6 dekat bawah and 1 bawa naik ke atas. Plus 1 lah. So remember to multiply first and
14.
then you add. So maksudnya 3 times 4. 3
4.
times 4 is?
12.
Don't
12.
forget 2 plus 1.
13.
Plus 1.
13.
Yes, 13. So the correct answer is RM1,360. Rizka kena nyangka titik perpuluhan. If you look at the question, is there any decimal point in the question?
No.
No. So your answer should be patutnya jawapan awak tak ada decimal point lah. Mana ada sen ni? Okay Rizka? Boleh Rizka?
Boleh.
Okay, so maksudnya ni memang ada decimal point. Dekat belakang lah, 0.00. This one also 0.00. But no use lah, 00 dekat belakang kan? Okay? Okay? Okay. Next one. Nampak tak soalan tu? Cikgu padam tak? Cikgu dah contengkan kat tepi lah. You count. RM794.20. Asyik susah Hafif Hafif dah tahu teknik tu macam mana mualah tu. Times by 8. Okay. 8 times RM794.20. Dah tahu teknik kan? Macam mana polahnya senang. Okay. Count. Then you tell me your answer. Oh, si P8 lambat sikit kita orang ngira.
Done.
Okay, done. What is your answer?
RM.
Okay, Zara first. No. If you say money, you don't say the RM. Okay, Zara. Okay, what is your answer? How many thousand?
RM6,353.60.
Yes. RM53 and
60 cents.
60 cents. Okay. Any other answer? Thank you, Zara. Dayan?
6.
Si dengar Dayan? Belum.
Saya calculate.
Okay, keep on calculating. Delisha 27460. Kejap, cikgu tulis lah. 27460 sen. How come your answer become smaller than the question? In multiplication, the answer should be larger than the question. Siapa jawab tu tengok? Delisha kah, is it? Arisa? RM274.60. Dan Rania...
No, that's not mine.
Oh, lain, okay. Apa Dayan Rania pun jawapan tag? Sekejap, cikgu check dulu. Call message. Dayan Rania, answer is RM6,353.60. Oh, Delisha punya jawapan ni tadi, RM274.60. Putri also get the same answer like this. 6353.60. Okay, Alia Rania pun sama juga jawapannya. Anybody else? Yes, Arisa?
My answer is 6,353 60 cents. Like that.
Okay, the same like this kan? Sama macam ni kan? Okay. Siapa yang bagi jawapan 600 tadi? Ziad kan? Ziad? RM635.36. Okay. Okay. Can we check answer now? Afif pun sama dapat jawapan tu. Okay. Now we check Okay. I'm going to use normal method. Okay. Normal form. So, RM794.20 times by 8. Okay, so we are going to multiply one by one. 0 times 8. Jangan lupa, tulis dulu titik perpuluhannya. Write down the decimal point first. Okay, 0. 2 times 8 is?
16.
16. So, 6 dekat bawah, 1 plus, plus. Make sure you multiply first before you add. So, 4 times 8 is?
32.
32 plus 1 is?
33.
33. So, okay, 9 plus 8 is?
72.
Plus 3?
75.
75. Okay. Now 7 plus 8, 7 times 8 is? 56 plus 7 is?
63.
63. Very good. So, don't forget the RM. Okay, so the answer is RM6,353.60. So, this is the correct answer. Congratulations. Yang jawab salah tu, kena je pandai salah. Sama lah Tok dengan Tok. Yang jawab salah, I think it might be because of multiplication table lah. Okay, salah multiplication table. Okay, now. That is multiplication. Now we move to multiplication with 100, 100, and also 1,000. Do you remember this lucky number?
Yes.
Very good. So, when you multiply with lucky number, you pay attention to the amount of zero in the lucky number. 10 ada how many zero? 1. 100 ada 2 zero. 1,000 ada 3 zero. Pay attention to the amount of zero in each lucky number. Ingat Okay. So, 1,000 times 9 ringgit. Sebenarnya mula tu ingat sih. Do you still remember how to do this?
Yes.
10 times 9 ringgit is equal to 90 ringgit. You write down. Okay, kita buat peringkat-peringkat Okay, so 9 ringgit kan? 10 darab 9 ringgit is equal to 90 ringgit. Okay, so yang ni awak salin balik kan? You copy, just copy this one. And also you add the bilangan zero yang dekat lucky number tu. 10 ada 1 ada 1 zero, so you add 1 zero dekat belakang dia. Okay. So 100 times 9 is, you copy this one, copy kan dah sama kan? Yes, 900. 100 ada 2 zero, so you just put 2 zero dekat belakang ni. So the answer is 900 ringgit. So 1,000 times 9 ringgit is equal to 9,000. Ada 3 belakang. You copy this one. Copy saja. Then 1,000 ada 3 zero. You add on 3 zero dekat belakang dia. So the answer is 9,000 ringgit. So here is 9,000 ringgit. Senang. Okay, now. Ini how? 10 times 148 ringgit and 25 cent. Who can tell me the answer? Saya boleh bagi tahu cikgu jawapannya apa. What is your answer? Tak perlu buat bentuk lazim. No need.
1,000 1,480 to 20 and 25 cents.
80, okay. Okay, kejap cikgu padam dulu So Diane's answer is 1,480 ringgit and 25 cent. Macam tu kah Diane? Diane Rania answer is 1,482.5. Any other answer? Any other answer? Okay, let me show you. Cikgu show Okay. What do we need to do first? We need to copy nombor yang bukan lucky number. Copy je lah. Okay, we just copy the number. Okay, so RM 148. Copy je. Okay, then the lucky number 10 ada 10 kan? You just write down this 10. Tambah saja dekat belakang ni. Okay, done with that. Okay, and remember, do you still remember? Bila kita bercakap pasal how to write money kan? There's bahagian sen tu ada how many numbers? 3 kah? Betul kah this one? 3 kah?
No.
Two saja kan? 2 only. So 1, 2. This is bahagian sen. So you move this to here. You kena make sure bahagian sen tu only 2 digit. So the answer is 1,482 ringgit and 50 cent. This is correct, but you forgot to write down the zero dekat belakang tu. Kalau tulis tanpa zero dekat belakang tu, tak lengkap lah. Okay, so this is the answer. 1,482 ringgit and 50 cent. Okay, boleh. Tambah saja zero dekat belakang tu. You copy the question, the number, and you add zero according to the lucky number. If the lucky number has 2 zero, then you add 2 zero. And you need to make sure in writing money, bahagian sen to only 2 digit number. So you move lah the decimal point. Okay, now you try this one. Tell me your answer. Copy the number, add the zero, move the decimal point. Remember, in writing money, the cent, okay, must only have 2 digits. So what's your answer? Senang je ni.
$3,290.
Ada belakang sih, Seda. Ya aja. Okay. Any other answer? Thank you, Diane. Any other answer, class? 3390 sama. Okay, Rania pun sama. Daniel 30.900. This one. I told you already. Bahagian sen ada 2 digit. Tu dah 1, 2, 3. 900 ada 3 digit dah tu. Okay, any other answer? M besar. Salah cikgu tulis tu. Okay, kita kira 3390. 3390. 3.9. Kenanya sama, Delisha? 3.900. I told you already. Okay. Okay, Nakas. Kan cikgu dah padah dekat bahagian belakang tu. How come bahagian sen tu ada 3 digit? This is 1. This is 1, 2, 3 digit. Okay, cannot be 3 digit. Bahagian sen ya, ada 2 digit je. Okay, now check. Okay, which one do we need to copy? 100 or 33 ringgit and 90 cent?
33.
Okay, so we copy dulu lah 33 ringgit and 90 cent. Then we add the zero. Kita tambah zero. How many zero do we need to add? How many zero?
2.
Sebab 100 ada 2 zero. So we add 2 zero. And then you must remember that in money bahagian sen tu, ini tengok. 9,000 sen. Betul kan 9,000 sen? Bolehkah 9,000 sen? Ada 4 digit dekat sini. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. No. In money, bahagian sen tu only. Nya perlu ada berapa je digit dekat belakang tu? Sen.
2.
2 saja kan? 2 saja kan? So you move. This is 1. This is 2. So you move the decimal point to here. So the answer is 3,390 ringgit. This is correct. Sebabnya sen dekat belakang tu 00. So kalau tak tulis pun tidak mengapa. Okay? Yang ini 30,930. Sedangkan dekat sini 33. How come ada 30? Ini ada lain soalan dah tu. Okay. Now, this one. What is the answer here? This rice cooker, 1 unit is 245 ringgit and 50 cent. You need to count for 10 unit. Kalau ada 10, what is the cost, total cost? For 10 rice cooker, for 10 rice cooker.
2,450 and 50 cents.
50, kejap. Sebenarnya Dayan, laju gila.
2,450 and 50 cents.
And 50, here 50.
55.
Okay, let me, cikgu padam dulu lah. Dayan kata 2, 4, 5, 0 and 50. Okay, Rizka?
2,000.
Oh,
2,455.
5. Okay, ringgit. Okay, 00 lah belakang. Okay, Zara Kisha also 2,455 ringgit. Okay, so kita copy lah balik. This question. Ni ada macam tu kan darab kan. So 245.50. How many zero? Satu kan? So you add another 1 zero. And then you move the decimal point. Mesti ada 2 ikit je nombor belakang Decimal point move to here. So the answer is 2,455 ringgit. This is the correct answer. Okay, next. 60 ringgit times. What is the answer?
6,800.
Yes, very good. Okay, 6,000. Saling balik kan? 68.
6,800.
20 kan? Then you add lah 20.
6,000.
This one? Yes, correct.
5,000.
Pandai pun. Saling balik 5 ringgit and then add how many zero? 3 zero kan? 1, 2, 3. So 5,000. Okay. That is how we do multiplication with lucky number. Okay. So next, division of money. Division of money, when do we need to use division of money? Is when you are given the total price of several identical items. Maksudnya benda yang sama harga. And asked to find one. You're going to the total price and you need to find one. For example, in this aquarium ada fish lah. Fish saya bulat-bulat saja. Ada 4 fish. Okay, the total amount, the total price of these 4 fish is 40 ringgit. You need to find what is the price of one fish, satu fish. Then you do 40 ringgit divide by 4 untuk cari jawapan satu fish. Okay, ingat kalau division dia bagi awak jumlah harga and then you need to find the price of one item only. Okay. Okay, or when you are asked to distribute the same amount of money between several people. Distribute, you share. Itu kata kunci untuk bahagilah. You distribute, you share. Sama apa? The same amount lah. Jumlah yang awak share tu mesti sama. Okay, normal form. Normal form macam ni lah. 40 divide by 4 for example. This is normal form. Cikgu pola laju tau sebab kita orang kan dah pola 0, 0 minus 0. Atas bawah tolak turun. Okay, the fence method. The fence method. The fence method macam ni. Okay, sesiapa yang buat fence method, you need to draw line here untuk pisahkan setiap digit. Okay, tapi caranya sama juga. Okay. Caranya sama. 4 divide by 4 is 1. Okay, 4 minus 0. Bezanya, in fence method, you bring up 0 here kan. So 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 0. Okay, the answer is 10. Okay, ini division saja sebab awak dah belajar how to do division in normal form and also fence method. Dah belajar kan? Okay, so next. Okay, how much money does each person get? Okay, dekat sini, kalau dekat gambar tu, can you see the amount of money in the check? Boleh nampak tak?
Yes.
Okay, how many? 500?
2,000.
500 ringgit lah.
What?
500 ringgit.
500 ringgit.
You need to, they need to share 500 ringgit between how many people? How many?
2.
How many?
2.
2. 1, 2. So what is the number sentence? Can someone please tell me what is the number sentence?
500.
500
500
ringgit divided by
divided by 2.
2. Divide by 2.
So how to solve it? Solve lah by using normal form ka atau fence method. Okay, 500 divide by 2. I'm not going to draw the tulang ikan. That one you need to do by yourself. Kalau awak nak guna tulang ikan, you need to do it by yourself. Okay. So 5 divide by 2. Berapa sini? 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 5 minus 4 is
10.
1.
1.
And then you bring down 10. Okay.
0.
10 divide by 2 is? Sifir 2. Apa yang ada 10?
5.
5. Siapa jawab ya? Bapak Afif, is it? 10. Okay, so minus. Okay, bring down. Ada lagi kan yang nak bawa turun? 0. So, 0. Okay, 0. So the answer is, don't forget to write down ringgit Malaysia. So the answer is 250 ringgit each. Each of them will get 250 ringgit. Okay, next. What is the price of a mango? Given one basket of a mango is 8 ringgit. Okay, in this basket, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mangoes. Okay, what is the price of a mango? So the number sentence is 8 ringgit divide by 5.
5.
Okay. And you need to remember the 8 ringgit can also be written as, ataupun you can also be written as 8 kan. Okay, kan? Sama kan? Okay, now let's solve. Kita selesaikan. Okay, cikgu buat macam tu dulu. 8 ringgit divide by 5. Okay, so 8 divide by 5. Sifir 5 lah. 1, okay. 1, 5. 0, 0. 2, 10.
2, 10.
3, 15.
3, 15.
Okay. Apa saya? 4,
4,
20.
20.
5,
5,
25.
25.
6,
30.
30. 7,
35.
35. And so on. Okay, now. So, 8 divided by 5. 8 divided by 5.
1.
1. This one, ah? Okay. So, satu dekat atas. Don't forget to write down RM. 8 minus 5 is?
3.
3.
3.
Okay, in money, class, since in money, ni ada lagi sen dekat belakang kan? This is just ringgit kan? Okay, ada sen lagi kan? Okay, you can add 0, 0 dekat belakang. Titik perpuluhan 0, 0. You cannot leave it like this. No. Sebab kita boleh dapat jawapan yang sen tu lagi. So, you need to add 0, 0. In money, money saja. Money saja. At 0.00. Kalau ada baki dekat sini, okay, you cannot leave it like this. Dalam kira duit, kalau bahagi duit, you need to add 0.00. So, awak akan bahagikan sampailah ke sen dia tu, okay? So, now you bring down this. Titik perpuluhan, you need to write down in one line. So, tulis dekat sini titik perpuluhannya. Salin aja titik perpuluhannya. So, bring this down. This is 30. So, which one?
30.
Mana satu?
6.
6. Okay, so 6 here. 30 dekat bawah minus 0. Then you bring down another 0. 0 lah kan? Okay, 0 minus. Okay, 0. So the answer is 1 ringgit and 60 sen. Ingat sen kalau ada baki dekat bawah tu, if you have remainder dekat bawah tu, okay, you cannot just stop there. Don't just stop there. Untuk money sahaja. Don't just stop there. You need to add the sen. Tambah lagi sen dekat belakang tu. How? Okay, you just letaklah titik perpuluhan, decimal point, 0.00. Okay? Okay? Boleh
Yes.
Okay. So now, this one. Given to you 1,008, the total cost for 8 untuk 8 kereta kontrol ni is 1,008 ringgit and 40 sen. You need to find price per unit. Price per unit means satu. Harga untuk satu. Okay, so what is the number sentence? Can you please tell me what is the number sentence? Number sentence.
1,008
ringgit
and 40
and 40
cents
sen.
divided
then
by 8.
divide by 8. Now you count. Now you count. You're going to use multiplication table 8. Supposed to be awak tak guna dah tulang ikan ni. Awak dah hafal dah sifir awak. Tak perlu guna pun. And so on. Dah ada jawapan belum? One, 2, 6, 0, 5. 1, 2, 6, 0, 5. The rest? 1, 2, 6, 0, 5. Okay. Sama. Okay, Zara pun sama. Zara also get the same answer. Lepas tu Ziyad kan lah. Ziyad kan Amir Hamzah. Ziyad kan? Okay, sama juga. 1, 2, 6 and 5 cent. Okay, now let us check. Okay, so don't forget to write down RM and also copy the decimal point in one straight line. So 1, set dah kan? So we take this one lah. 0, 0. 1, bring down 0. 10. So 10, 8 kan? So 1, 8, 2, bring down 0. 20, should be, we take this one. 2, 16, saya kira laju tu. 48. So 648 minus. Alah, tak cukup tempat saya. I need to use fence method tadi. 0, so bring down here. To naik atas 4. So 0 lah kan. 0, 0 minus. So 40. 5, 40. So the answer is correct. 126 ringgit and 5 cent. Senang je kan? Sama je macam awak kira bahagi biasa. Now you count this one. 471 ringgit and 60 cent divide by 8. I'm going to use fence method. Sama sifir tadi, sifir 8. 471 ringgit and 60 cent divide by 8. I'm going to use fence method. For Kira, once you get the answer, you tell me. RM58 and 95 cents. Don't forget to write down RM. 58. Berapa tadi? 58. 58. 95. Okay. 58 ringgit 95. Ini ada answer? Jawapan lain? 58 ringgit 09. Azifa, what are you doing here, Azifa? 96. Your class is 8:30 later on, Azifa. Erina pun apa pula Erina dalam kelas tu. Kelas Erina pukul 8.30 kelas Erina. I haven't finished with the 3 Ibnu Sina class. So those who are from siapa yang dari kelas 3 Ibnu Khaldun, 3 Ibnu Rushdi, 3 Ibnu Qayyim, masuk 8.30 kelas. Bukan masa tu. Okay, so I get 3 different answer here. So let us check. Sifir 8 kan? Cikgu kira. So don't forget to write down RM and also copy the decimal point in one straight line. Yes, it's already 8:16. Your class is 8:30 kan? Okay, so 0, 0 minus 4. So 4, you are going to bring this up. This is the fence method. So you have here 47. 5, 40 minus, so 7. Bring this up, 71. Okay. Apa kita? 71. 8. 8 kan? 64. Minus. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Bring this up. Okay, 76. 8. No. 76. Sepatutnya apa dekat situ? $76 should be 8 times by 9 kan? 72 minus 4. So bring this up. So 50 here. The 50 ya. So 5. 40 minus 0. Okay. Okay, so you miss canteen. The answer is 58 ringgit and 95 cent. This is the correct answer. Cikgu tahu awak salah mungkin sebab awak salah sifir. I know you need to you buat slow lah. Okay, kelak awak pula slow. Okay, salah sifir sikit je ya. Okay. Division with 10, 100 and also 1000. Lucky number. How are we going to do this? Sebenarnya kita nak mualah tu. If we do division, sama juga. Kita salin balik. Salin balik. Copy. And then 10 kan? Kalau 10, what do you need to do in division? Kita buat apa? we move the decimal point, okay, ke depan one time. Kenapa one time? Sebab divide by 10, 10 ada only one zero. So we move here. Sekali je kita move-nya. So the answer will be 902 ringgit and 5 sen. Ayo, cikgu baca chat kita orang ya. Cikgu, I can read your chat there. Okay. Now, this one. Copy the number. Where is the decimal point for 3,650 ringgit? Where is the decimal point? Dekat sini ada decimal point-nya. Situ, sini ada decimal point for this number, 3,650 ringgit. Delisha, where is the decimal point for 3,650 ringgit? Ah, sibuk chatting. Zara, okay, Zara try. Dekat sini? Okay, Dayang Rania. Where is the decimal point for 3,650 ringgit? Arisa, you can answer.
At the back
Yeah.
of zero.
Pardon?
At the back of zero.
Yes, very good. At the back. So, 0.00. Delisha, bila cikgu tanya si jawab. Tapi yang sibuk dekat bahagian chatting ya. Okay, so since 1,000, okay. Since 1,000, okay, ada 30, there are 30, we are going to move the decimal point 3 times, okay, ke depan. Okay, ke depan lah 3 times. So, 1, 2, 3. So, this is the new decimal point dekat situ. So, the answer is 3 ringgit and 65 sen. Zero dekat belakang ni tak gunalah. Okay, senang je. Benda tu kita dah belajar dah. We have learned this one. Okay, now, can you give me the answer for this? The original decimal point is dekat belakang kan? 0.00. So you need to move how many times to the front? Berapa kali ke depan? 2 times. Yes. So what is the answer? Move 2 times. 1, 2. See, so this is the new decimal point. The answer is 31 ringgit and 5 sen.
5.
Yes, correct Rania. Betul. Tahu pun dah lupa tulis RM. Okay, so next. Dah sampai ke penghujungnya. Now, you need to listen carefully. You need to listen carefully. This is your homework. You need to do page 82, 83, and 84. This is just basically multiplication and also division. Just multiplication and also division sahaja. And listen carefully. You need to do also page 89 and also page 90. Okay, addition you buat 89 and also 90. But these 2 page, you don't need to send it to me yet. Okay, yang 2 page ni awak tak perlu hantar dahulu dengan cikgu. You just need to do it. Okay, complete saja 89 and also 90. What we are going to do is we are going to use your answer in page 89 and also 90 in our next lesson. Okay, kita punya next class, kita akan more to discussion. Okay, we are going to have a discussion class. Next class lah. Okay, so you need to do 82, 83, 84. These 3 page, yang 3 ini, you need to send it to me. Okay, page 89 and also 90, you need to complete but don't send it yet. Jangan hantar dahulu sampai cikgu madah kelak. Okay, boleh? Can you do that? Boleh Senang aja. So, Do you have any question before we finish our class? Don't laugh yet.
No.
Jangan keluar dulu. Yes, Rania.
Teacher.
When is school gonna
Sabar,
start?
Rania dulu. Pardon?
When is school gonna start?
Pardon? When?
November.
Oh, when does school gonna start? When do school gonna start? Not sure. We are still in phase 2.
November.
We are still in phase
Okay.
2. We just wait for the KPM, for the announcement from KPM. Okay, Afif?
Yes.
Apa?
Yang 89 dengan 90 yang si Bu hantar cikgu dulu kah?
Sibu hantar. Tapi pola, ha? Sibu
Okay.
hantar. Tapi pola. Okay? Okay. Any question? Any more question?
No. No.
No.
No. Okay. So, sekejap. I need to take your picture. Can you please on your camera? Take picture of you. Kejap ah. Okay, ready.